What is going on, guys? We are back at it again with a brand new video. It's been a hot minute since my last one, but decided to go ahead and record this one super quick. This won't be a long one or anything. Just wanted to jump on here, show you guys these new Meta glasses that came out recently. I noticed that there wasn't too many videos on these or unboxings or anything like that, so I wanted to just give you guys a quick unboxing so you guys can take a look at them and decide if they're for you or not. These are going to be the Meta Fury glasses. I've seen a lot of people unboxing obviously the Kylie Jenner version or the Kylie Jenner model and the Adventure model. These have not gotten too much love from what I've seen on the internet, so I decided to pick these up instead. The design's pretty cool. Reminds me a lot of the design of the Meta display glasses as far as like the shape and how thick they are. So I thought they were pretty cool. I got them in this sandstone color with the dark amber lens, and the charging case is mocha. I usually wear black sunglasses. I had the Rayban wafers, the Metas, and the black version. So I was used to black. Decided to pull the trigger on a different color just to change it up a bit. After all, colorful sunglasses are kind of in right now, so decided to just go ahead and try this color out. So I did buy these yesterday at my local sunglass hut. So I have unboxed these already, and I have worn them for a day and a half already, or when I'm outside, I guess. So I have used these, I have seen these, so keep that in mind. But I just wanted to give you guys the unboxing experience here. Now, unfortunately, these do come in only one size, which is a standard. So if you wore the large Meta Ray-Bans, the wafer, like the larger versions, these might feel a little bit tighter on you. I thought they were going to feel a little tight on me because I usually do go with the bigger size, but these fit pretty well still, so not too much to complain there. I'll show you guys right now the advantages that these models have from the Ray-Ban versions in a little bit. So, like I said, one size fits all pretty much. This is the box that's inside the sleeve. So it is made still with the same people that handled the Ray-Ban and the Oakley designs as well. So you still get that similar form factor, or I guess a similar style, I guess, but just no branding. So, which gives us the $299 price instead of, being a little too expensive like the Ray-Bans and the Oakleys. So here you go. Here's the open box itself with the case. So let's go ahead and get this out. And this will be here. And you do get this nice fabric case. For this model, it is brown, like I mentioned earlier. Pretty nice. About the same size as the Ray-Bans or Oakleys. But the cool part about this case is, which I'll show you in a little bit, is that it is collapsible. So that's a huge benefit for me, and I'll show you guys right now why. So you just open these up here, and you're greeted with the glasses. And again, you get the little Meta logo here. And the inside is lined with microfiber, which is nice and soft, so you won't be scratching up your glasses at all or anything. And here is the way they come. This is their new charging case, and the color is right there for you to see. So pretty neat, and all you gotta do is just slide these up to take them out. I'll just give you guys a quick tour of the actual case before we get to the glasses. So pretty nice, pretty simple. Like I said, they do charge through here now. And this is collapsible, guys. This is the biggest benefit, I think, for these glasses, is that the fact that you can now close these, and look at how flat that is now. That's the one thing I hated about the Ray-Ban wafers, was that the case was just so bulky and it was so hard to carry around. And now you don't have to worry about it either. So that's pretty cool. You do get your charging port over here, and you do have your pairing button up here. So pretty neat. Just a quick little look at the case. Set these aside, and the actual glasses here. So these are going to be a thicker model, as you can see there. I like these because not only the brown color, or the beige, I guess you could say, but these are pretty transparent as well. And I like transparent tech, and I think that looks pretty smart. These definitely stand out, and they really do scream, hey, these are not your regular sunglasses. Obviously, the two holes in the sides are going to stick out a little bit more than if you just wore black black frames. But I don't really mind that. I'm not really trying to hide that I have smart glasses or that I have a camera on my face. I mean, I'd rather have people know that I have them rather than not. I'm not trying to sneak around and record people or anything, so it doesn't matter. But here are the glasses themselves. Trying to give you guys a good look. And now the cool part is about these is that not only are the hinges a little more forgiving on the head or on the temple, I guess, these do have nose pads. So they're not like your soft silicone pads. These are more plastic and hard, but they do have different, I guess, adjustments to where you can, depending on how big your nose is or how high you wear your glasses, you can adjust them accordingly. I usually have them around the middle, and that fits pretty well for me. Like I said, I do use the larger wafer versions of the Ray-Bans, and these are a little bit smaller, but honestly, they fit pretty good, and over time, they're gonna adjust to my head anyway, and shouldn't have any issues with that. So there you guys go. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Fury Meta glasses, giving them some love, because apparently nobody else is. So I wanted to make that quick video for you guys. Come back to the channel, we'll upload something really quick. So thank you guys for watching, and I will keep you guys posted if I end up uploading anything else or what this channel is going to become. I kind of want to start doing videos again, but time is just, you know, a luxury right now. So, but thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.